Welcome to my YouTube channel. As you may know, the SR-04 ultrasonic sensor is very popular and widely used in projects like robots and parking assistance. The traditional way to use it is to trigger a 10 microsecond pulse to request the module to measure. Then we calculate the distance based on the echo pulse, known as GPIO mode. However, with the V2020 module, we now have two additional protocols, I2C and UART. First, I'll show you how to communicate using I2C. To display the measured distance, I've already included and initialized the library for the LCD. We'll focus only on I2C communication with the module. First, I'll declare variables to store the 3-byte return data. Then, a variable to convert it into centimeters. We need to initialize an I2C object. Clear variables before each communication. Set up the I2C communication with the module. Address is 0 × 57. And send value OX01 to trigger the module to measure the distance. We'll delay for 150 milliseconds to allow the module to measure the distance and retrieve the result. Now we'll wait until there's a result. Then we'll read 3 bytes of data. Next, we calculate the distance in centimeters using the formula provided by the manufacturer. The next step is just to clear the screen and print the result. The valid range is between 2 centimeters and 400 centimeters. If the result is valid, we'll print it out. Oops, I made a mistake somewhere. Let me fix it. And here's the result when tested with I2C communication. Next, I'll show you how to use UART communication. Solder a 10,000 resistor to a 5, as shown. According to the manufacturer, we'll need a 9600 baud rate for communication. First, switch from wire to serial to use UART. Send OXAO to start. Wait for the result. Then we calculate the distance using the 3 bytes returned. The calculation formula remains the same. After that, we'll display the received result on the screen. Let's check the test result with UART communication. I hope you found this helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Goodbye, and I hope to see you in the next video.